The Osun State government, through the Osun Health Insurance Agency, OSHA, has kicked off the enrollment of all persons living with disabilities, PWDs, resident in the state, under the Osun Health Insurance Scheme, OIS. The initiative, which is in line with Governor Ademola Adeleke's directive, aims to provide free and qualitative healthcare services to all eligible residents with disabilities across the state. Dr. Razak Akindele, the Executive Secretary of the Osun Health Insurance Agency, while speaking at the program's launch, emphasized that it seeks to provide healthcare for the less privileged in the society, especially PWDs, because of their health condition. According to Akindele, the agency will conduct clinical examinations to identify the specific needs of each individual. The agency's boss added that in addition to healthcare coverage, the initiative will also provide essential aids such as wheelchairs, hearing aids, visual aids, and crutches, depending on the beneficiary's requirements. Akindele further noted that registration for the program will begin simultaneously across the 30 local government areas of the state, with the service being at no cost for the beneficiaries.
Yeah, we are here to enroll the people living with disability into the health insurance scheme of Osun State free of charge. That is the directive we got from the governor, that all the people living with disability residing in Osun State, we should make life comfortable for them. So we're going to enroll them to make sure that they have access to free and qualitative health, and also we're going to provide them with some aids that will make life comfortable for them. Some of them need different gadgets, wheelchair, crutches, hearing aid, visual aids, and some other things that they need. We will examine them clinically and see what they need, and we'll provide for them. All the local governments, we are doing it across the state. Our business officers are everywhere in the local government, but we have selected some days that all of us, the officials, will come. And today is that of Osogbo Federal Constituency. So simultaneously, registration is going on everywhere. They're not going to pay anything. It is completely free. So once they are registered, we did that for the pensioners some months ago, and they have been receiving treatment free of charge. They don't pay anything.
The chairman of the Joint National Association of Persons with Disabilities, JONAPID, Osun State Chapter, Stephen Oluwafemi, lauded the initiative and expressed gratitude to Governor Adeleke for his commitment to improving the lives of people with disabilities, acknowledging that good and affordable healthcare is fundamental to the overall well-being of the PWDs. Oluwafemi showed optimism about the impact the program will have in the lives of the people living with disabilities, especially with the current economic hardship. He encouraged people living with disabilities in the state to take advantage of the free registration and healthcare services, emphasizing that health is wealth.
It's a fantastic, and the thing we have been expecting since, because it is good. The Yoruba, they say, health is wealth. So before we can say anything, we can do anything, it means that person will be okay when we talk about health-wise. So we really appreciate our governor for giving us that a great opportunity for us to be a partaker of those who will enjoy the health insurance freely for the person with a disability, most especially in Osun. This thing is happened to in every local government in Osun now. So it is our joy, and it is our happy that we have a government who listens to the cries of people in the society, most especially persons with disability, because we are the one who are suffer a lot when we talk about the health. Concerning our some cluster among us, accessibility is very important for the deaf and the physically handicapped and the visually impaired as well, because if there is no provision for all this, it means we can't reach our destination when we talk about the health as well. As Nigerian, what we are facing now, concerning the financial aspect, it also affects our health. So to buy drug, to do all what necessary concerning our health is a journey, and is a problem for person with a disability. So that is why we really appreciate what government is doing now concerning our health. It is a great thing. We can never forget it. We really appreciate that. Thank you. My message to my colleagues who are out there, I can say that every one of us, whether you are a civil servant or you are not civil servant, if you know that you are a person with a special need, come out now to do your necessary thing that has to do with your health, because health is wealth. Everybody, every person, from even if you are not the indigene of Osun and you are living in Osun, come out now and make a registration so we can guarantee your health in Osun State. Thank you.
One of the beneficiaries, Mr. Musiliu Yusuf, a bilateral amputee, shared his joy at the prospect of receiving a wheelchair through the program. He described the initiative as exceptional and urged others with disabilities to register and benefit from the state's support. Yusuf praised Governor Adeleke's administration and offered prayers for his continued success.
National Health Insurance Osun oyis láti jẹ́ pé kí n máa gba oògùn ọ̀fẹ́ kán sì bá mi wá kẹ̀kẹ́ tí wọ́n máa lò torí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì kò sí ẹsẹ̀ rárá ìgbà mo gbọ́nu rẹ́díò ló jẹ́ kí n wá máa sọ fún kán má dèjú mọ́lé tí wọ́n bá ti ń rí orí ọ̀fẹ́ yìí kán máa jáde síta láti jẹ́ pé kéèyàn jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ mi ò rí irú eléyìí rí wọ́n lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ là máa gba oògùn báyìí nísìn mo sì mọ iye tí ì ná lérí oògùn ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ò ní dàrú wọn ò ní fàárẹ̀ ló gbà o wọ́n ṣe adúpẹ́ o inú mi dùn o.